Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Shelly Smart Relay firmware using Shelly app, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Shelly Smart Relay firmware using the Shelly app, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your Shelly device is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Shelly app on your smartphone. Log into your Shelly account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the main screen, locate your Shelly Smart Relay in the device list. Tap on the device to open its settings. In the device menu, look for the Firmware Update option. Tap on Firmware Update to check for available updates. If an update is available, you will see a prompt indicating the new version. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the firmware update process. Ensure your smartphone remains connected to the internet during the update. The update process may take a few minutes, so be patient. You will receive a notification once the update is complete. After the update, your smart relay may restart automatically. Verify that the firmware has been updated by checking the version number in the device settings. If the update was successful, your Shelly device is now up to date. If you encounter any issues during the update, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app. Your Shelly Smart Relay is now functioning with the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.